Hello, my name is Dr. Linda Burba, and I would like to welcome you to Audiologic Services and help you discover the world of better hearing and balance. Our goal is to provide quality hearing and balance care that patients and physicians can trust. We are proud of our friendly atmosphere and committed to dealing with your most sensitive hearing and balance issues. Our practice, established in 1982, has gained its reputation by caring and listening to our patients' needs and concerns. The highest compliment that we could ever receive is your referral of another person we can help. Our website is a tool to educate you on the issues related to hearing loss and balance conditions. We find that many people are more comfortable when they understand some of the facts related to their particular issue. I invite you to use this site and then call and schedule an appointment. I understand how frustrating it can be to deal with hearing and/or balance issues, and I assure you that we will work together to improve your quality of life where this is concerned. You are not alone. Hearing loss or dizziness can change your life, but it shouldn't keep you from living it. Let us help. Audiologic Services is sincerely committed to you.